Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing the right eye mask for your needs and sleep habits. Select a mask with blackout fabric and an adjustable strap for a snug fit. Check padding thickness of about 1/4 inch to ensure gentle pressure on the eyelids. Prefer contoured eye cups if you wear makeup or contact lenses during naps. Aim for a mask that blocks 100% of light to signal your brain to sleep. Consider breathable fabrics like cotton or silk if you sleep warm. Next, fit and position the eye mask carefully for comfort and darkness. Place the mask so the bottom edge rests above the cheekbones and not on them. Center the eye cups over each eye without pressing hard on the eyelids. Adjust the strap to avoid tight pressure while keeping the mask stable through movement. For nightly sleep, keep the mask on for about 8 hours. Use the mask for 20 to 30 minutes to start if you are new to daily use. Finally, learn mask care and simple troubleshooting to extend performance and comfort. Hand wash silk or delicate masks with mild soap and cool water every 1 to 2 weeks. Air dry flat to maintain shape and avoid heat damage from dryers. Replace foam or molded masks every 6 to 12 months or whenever they lose cushioning or shape. If you feel dryness or strain, use a warm compress for 10 to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.